candidate running for the position of the Vice President for Internal Affairs. 3 years ago, I used to not care about what was happening in the university. My routine was to go to class, go home, and repeat. But this changed when I joined the university student government. Suddenly, I cared more for what was happening inside the university, and I became an active participant in the issues inside the campus. Now, after 2 years of serving the USG as an appointed officer, from my finance duties to my duties as a student services director, I know I could do so much more. And that is why I'm here today, pushing for a better USG. My platform focuses on the fundamentals of what the USG should be about, and that is to prioritize students, utilize talents, strengthening relations, and harmonizing goals, which can be remembered simply as push, because an idea will remain just an idea unless there is someone willing to push for it. But today, my fellow Lasallians, I invite all of you to look at the bigger picture. As you know, there are around 100 candidates, all potential good leaders, who are not able to run because of the non-compliance of some requirements. And the remaining candidates who are able to comply are now deprived of the chance of experiencing the elections that we all wish for. But ultimately, it is the students who loses the most from the mess that we have placed ourselves in. This is more than just politics. This is a systematic problem with all of us, as Lasallians and as citizens of the country. We take things such as rules for granted and hope that everything can be fixed by pakiusap lang. Pero sa totoong buhay, hindi lahat ng bagay ay pwede idaan sa pakiusap lamang. Let us follow the rules that we set upon ourselves, because if we can't comply with our own rules, then what is stopping us from not complying with the rules of the USG? And worse is what is stopping us from not complying to the laws of our country. So to everyone, it's about time to step up our game. Let us not waste the talents of leaders who genuinely want to serve the students. Let us push for purpose-driven Lasallians. Let us push for a just and free society. Let us push to go back to basics. Let us push to go beyond the USG. Let us push for our USG, but most importantly, let us push to look at the bigger picture in what we do. Once again, I am Mark Morales, and I'm running to be your Vice President for Internal Affairs. And I know that together, we can push for a better USG. Thank you.